Yo, what's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we got the stock Deadbolt with our little spotter. And we are going to be taking on the outdoor flowerbed mini crawler course. Now, still a work in progress. This is actually the end where you switch back and go back to the start, up that end. But we're going to start our run from here, making our way down and along, getting a feeler for the Deadbolt on the course. Being that it's the stock rig, we haven't run the 24s out here yet. We've been messing around with the C24. Now, just give you a quick, in this bottom corner down here is where we would normally start coming up. But yeah, we're going to start at the other end, make our way down, get a feel for it, get down in the trench, right down here, all the way down, up and around. And then there's obviously many different lines you can take. It's quite open, still a work in progress. We're going to try and tackle all and as many obstacles as we can with the stock rig, see how she does. Now, it should do fairly well. Nothing looks too difficult. But yeah, outdoor mini crawler course, guys, don't take much. They can obviously be as big as whatever space you got. A few broken patio slabs, lumps of concrete, dig a few holes, bits of wood, and yeah, you've got yourself a course. We're going to see how the Deadbolt does. Hope you enjoy the footage. Stay where you are, guys. Let's get this show on the road. So we made it to the end, guys. Now we're at the start. Let's see how she does. Straight down into the trench. And the ground's still quite soft. We've had a mixture of weather recently. Doesn't like the slow crawl, finding resistance. To give it a bit of a bump. Yeah, we made it out. Up onto the little loose, rough, woody section. Up and over this little rock here. Straight down into the what will be the boggy section. I just haven't really wet it down because we had a bit of rain earlier. Deadbolt proving itself worthy so far. We've still got our spotter. Now, here I haven't really made up my mind. We can either go straight or make the climb to go up and over and down into this little pit where we can try and exit. Yeah. And then you've got the decision of trying to go straight this way or switching back through here. Now, which way to go? I think we'll keep going straight for now. Whoa. Easy does it. Just thought I'd let that pass before I started talking. Now we're onto the rocky section. Now this rock crawling section, I think it looks, I don't know, to me it looks intimidating, but it doesn't look too hard. It's not all over the place too much, but it's gonna be tricky. Now let's see how the Deadbolt does coming up and over here. Whoa. Spotter, you didn't do your job. Oh, lucky we can recover. No problem. Slow and steady wins the race. I slipped off that ledge there. Deadbolt in its prime, feels right at home here outside. Inside it felt like it was struggling, but out here we're in our element. Now, got a few different line choices here. I'm gonna try and take the high line and get up and then switch back round if we can. Whoa. Getting held up by the rear wheel on that rock there. Gonna try and back out of that. Might have to reposition to try and get up there. But the Deadbolt does it. Now we're back to where we initially started. Gonna switch back around or try to. Oh, fell in a hole. Can we recover? Spotter's still hanging in there. Oh, we managed to. Can we get her upright? Yeah, just about. Almost got stuck between a rock and a hard place. The higher bumper on the stock rig definitely giving you that better approach for these obstacles. I wouldn't dare try this with a C10 at the minute. That would be interesting. Deadbolt, he's getting in a bit of trouble here. We've actually fell off of that ledge and we've rolled it. Let's reposition up here, see if we can find a way around. Managed to get out that hole there. Now I don't know if this is going to be possible, but oh, back wheel in the hole. Now the front wheel's in a hole. This is that Jenga with driving. Come on, Deadbolt. You can make it. Spotter's hanging on in there. Got a bit of a balancing act going on. But the Deadbolt seems to be doing it. Come on. Getting hung up under here in this loose rock. Sound of that body scraping. But we're getting there. Deadbolt's not letting us down that today. Hanging on the balance there, getting stuck in a hole. Just about recovered. Yeah. Now we're back here. I'm going to try and enter from the other end. Oh, lovely turn. Deadbolt showing off now. Don't think we needed that wheel speed there. Just jerk the throttle. Now we're gonna go back over the copper pipe. See if we can make it over. Yeah, lovely. Oh, but we rolled it. We fell in the ditch. Poor Spotter, he's dead. We got a casualty. This is now a rescue mission. Escape. We must get out as quick as we can. Come on, Deadbolt. Gotta make it up the hill. Oh no, you lost your casualty. Go back. Don't run him over. Load up the casualty. Oh no! Right. He's in there. You didn't see nothing. We gotta get this man out. Over the rocks. Back into the trench. Down. Can we make it out? Yeah. On the home straight. And to the finish. Yeah. And that concludes today's video, guys. Deadbolt's a winner. Definitely going to be making the course a little bit harder, but we're there. Peace out, guys. Until next time. Hope you enjoyed.